I'm the team lead for this event.
And I'm Olivia Porpro, and I'm also the team lead for the event.
So our event is called Yoga and Paws for a Cause, and it is a charity event in support of the Toronto Humane Society. So essentially what our kind of main agenda is we're having two dog yoga sessions with dogs from the Toronto Humane Society. We have our mix and mingle with lots of giveaways, there's healthy snacks, so it's kind of like a mix of dog yoga and kind of wellness event, and all proceeds that we got from ticket sales and then donations as well are going straight to the Toronto Humane Society to help their animals in their care.
So my name's Jennifer Jones. I'm the fundraising event specialist at the Toronto Humane Society. So we're non-government funded, so we only receive donations from donors or sponsors, what have you. So this helps take care of the animals at our shelter and make the animals happy and healthy while they're in our care.
We really hope so. We think it's really important to adopt, don't shop. There are so many animals in their care who are just looking for like love and even just a home. So we really hope that we could help. We really hope that we could help inspire these people to kind of, look at that as a first option rather than just buying dogs.
Oh yeah, I've been wanting to adopt a dog for a while, so definitely it just reassures that I really want one in my life.
Today I have Banjo. She is a German Shepherd mix, and she's on hold to go home, so she has been adopted.
Well, we figured the time of year students are getting stressed out with exams, so what's the perfect way than de-stressing with yoga, and what makes that better? Dogs. So we figured why not put them both together and do something good for the community as well, and donate it for the Toronto Humane Society.
I thought the event was very well planned out. The instructor was amazing. Everybody in the class had a lot of fun, and it was just also really nice to see the dogs kind of roaming around in between us while we were doing the event.
Well, it was great. I love puppies, so it was relaxing, but also a bit distracting, but I loved it anyways. It's just like something different for what we do every day, right?
I think that the food and the prizes were great. They were all very healthy, so it kind of went with the event as well. And also the prizes were also a great addition. I also won one of the door prizes as well.
I'm really happy with the turnout. I mean, we sold out of the afternoon session and pretty close to the morning session. We had a great turnout. We're really happy with everybody that came out today and the way the whole mix and mingle went. I'm satisfied. I think our team did a really amazing job.